Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna go through the Allure beauty box, and if you like hearing from me and like seeing my show, just click subscribe and hit that little all button. And we're gonna get right into the Allure beauty box today. And it comes with this little pamphlet, and it describes everything in it. So let's see what's inside. We won't look at that until we see what's inside. And here's the first peek. First sneak peek right there. And we'll get right into it, and we'll go into the Wonders Beauty. And it's a after hours highlighter, and it retails for $30. Maybe the actual, I don't think this would retail for $30, but maybe the retail price, I don't know. You would think something this small, I can't get it open. I'm gonna ruin it trying to open it. You wouldn't think something this small would be $30, so I'm thinking the full size is $30, but I could be wrong. It's a highlighter. And then next we have a brush, and this could retail between $14 and $17, and this is from NYX. It's a NYX brush, which is pretty cool because I love getting brushes, so any kind of brushes is good for me. It's a NYX professional makeup brush. It's an 05. They make a really good brush. So that's exciting for me. And then they have a Bare Mineral Skin Oil introducing, and it's Empower, Replenish, Renews, and Fortifies. And I don't know really what it's for, but I guess it's Power Infused Serum, so it's a serum. I guess I could take it out and show you. It's a little bottle like that. It's actually a pretty decent size. And then we got, the price of that full size would be $58. So these are all little sizes. And then here's a Giorgio Armani Lip Mastro Intense Velvet color, and it's, I don't know, it doesn't even tell me where this is, so I don't know if I was supposed to get this or not, but it's just a little lippy. It's Giorgio Armani though. I didn't even know Giorgio Armani made makeup. I thought they were just perfume. So we got that, and then now we have the Belief Keep Miracle Revital Eye Cream. And then we have the Retinol 24-Hour Hydration. Oh wait, this isn't an eye cream, is it? Yeah, this is an eye cream. I'm thinking I was supposed to get something that's why I got that. And then here is the Ultra Cream Lipstick by Appeal. Let's see. Maybe I should open these before I start doing it. But then it wouldn't be a surprise, would it? We wouldn't be surprising each other together. So that wouldn't be no fun if I opened them first. Then I'd already know everything. It'd be like, I don't know, just not right. But let's see what color this is. Ooh, it's a pretty package though. It's a pretty color. And this retails for $21, and I believe this is the full size. Like it goes all the way up. Yeah, this is the full size, I would say. And then they have the Giorgio Armani Intense Matte and Comfort Lip Color. We'll see what this is. And this is also a little size. And that's a beautiful red color too. And then we have a sheet mask, and it retails for $3, and that would be our last item right here. Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask, and it's in rose. So, and I believe we paid, I think this is $15 a month, and we got the mask, we got the eye cream, the highlighter, the serum, the full-size brush, the full-size lipstick, and then 2 Giorgio Armani products of lips. They're baby sizes, but hey, they're still good. And then an Olay eye cream, well, 24-hour hydration cream. And there's a $3 coupon in this box, it says on the box. So we got all that, and we paid 15 bucks for it, probably total with shipping. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. Well, if you guys like this show and you want to continue seeing Allure, let me know. You guys have a good day.